In this video, we are demonstrating how to grow microbes with our Microbes Are Everywhere kit. This kit was created with the classroom in mind to help spark curiosity in the field of science. This kit allows students to get interactive and supports observation-based learning and critical thinking. Each participant will receive 2 agar plates, 2 strips of parafilm, and 2 cotton swabs. Using these cotton swabs, the participant will be able to swab both a clean and a dirty surface and compare the microbes growing from each surface. Start by labeling each of your plates, 1 dirty and 1 clean. Open your pack of swabs. Make sure to leave the cotton end protected. Remove 1 swab from the packet and dip it into water. Then select your clean object to sample. Rub the wet swab on the surface for at least 5 seconds. Carefully open the top of the clean petri plate and smear the swab gently across the agar surface. Good options for clean objects are areas that are frequently cleaned, such as stainless steel tables or plates, cups, and pans. Once sufficiently swabbed, replace the lid onto the petri dish and discard the clean object swab. Repeat this process with your dirty sample. Frequently dirty objects are those objects that see a lot of traffic but aren't frequently cleaned, such as water bottle mouthpieces, cell phones, or the bottom of a shoe. After swabbing your dirty object, rub the sample across the agar surface. Close the top of the petri plate and discard your dirty swab into the trash. Stretch the parafilm strip around the edges of each plate to seal them. Parafilm is stretchy and should self-stick. Next, we move into what we call the incubation phase. Store the plates at room temperature for 1 to 7 days to allow any sampled microbes to grow. Microbes should start to become visible on your dirty sampled plate just days after you sample. Allow the organisms on your plates to grow for up to 7 days. After this, you can observe your plates, counting the colonies, describing the morphology, and overall comparing your clean versus dirty samples. At the end of this project, please make sure to safely dispose of your plates.